Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the Jello effect on the SYMA X5UC. So as you can see, here's my SYMA. What also you will need, one type of foam like this, and scissors. Here are they, the scissors. First you need to rotate your quadcopter, then cut some of this type of foam. You just have to go here on the front of the camera and just push this foam, like this with these scissors. It will be a little bit easier for you to push it, and as you can see, it's there. Also, you will need to cut more pieces for the sides and for the back of the quadcopter. You need to cut this into half. Now let's place it here again with the scissors, because it will be hard with your hands. As you can see, it's going there and staying. By the way, it has great results. It has great results when you put this type of foam here. It removes all the Jello that you have on your SYMA X5UC. Later in this video I'm going to show you the results before you place this type of foam and after you place it, so you can compare how much better it is with this. Now I'm pushing the foam in there. Now let's cut another piece for the back of the camera. You just have to place it like this and push. It's good. We can put a little bit more there. That's it. You just have to fill these holes around the camera with this type of foam, and it looks like this. Now I'm going to show you the result, but first we'll see how it was without this foam, and then I will show you how much better it is with the foam placed there.